I got a 97 one-ton Dodge Ram, and it's got the MV 4500 transmission in it, and we just got through you know, standard transmission. We just got through doing this this problem where fifth goes out. So fifth goes out on this, and I'm here with Jerry. He's the owner of Jerry's Transmission, been in business for about 4 or 5 decades. And I just want to go over with what it is that we experienced on this repair job. What happened? What is that? That's a nut that slips off, Jerry?
Yep.
Okay, that's the nut that slips off eventually. But what we found inside of here was that's the gear itself, fifth gear.
Right.
And what we found inside of there is where it locks into the splines on the main shaft. If you've got the original main shaft, it wears them out inside of here on both sides, on both the spleen, on the main shaft, and inside of this gear right here. Does that sound pretty accurate, Jerry, the way I'm telling this?
Yep.
Okay. So anyway, what this required was the update. There's been an update. See, there it is right there. It's all worn down. Is that right, Jerry?
Yeah. Right
Yeah.
Here. It's got that.
And then on the inside of this, also, you can see right down the middle there, it's where it's worn down. It won't allow it. That's why when they get to that point, you're going to have to do both the gear and the main shaft because it wore out the spleen right there. Am I pretty much down on this?
Yeah.
Jerry?
Yeah.
All right, good. And if you're in Springfield, Missouri, then Jerry's Transmission is going to be the place to go on this. So, anyway, I just wanted to share that with the mid-90s 12-valve Dodge Ram 1-ton pickup owners out there. I got a diesel 1-ton with a standard transmission. That's all.